In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Fortnite with two players in the same console. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to play with two players on the same console, we need to use split screen. Split screen is available for Xbox and PlayStation, but keep in mind that the Nintendo Switch does not support split screen for hardware limitations. With that disclaimer out of the way, accessing split screen is a very straightforward process. Open up the game with the primary controller or the player 1 controller connected as usual, and connect your second controller. If you are doing this on Xbox or PlayStation, the process might be slightly different, but all you have to do is press any button on the second controller. On PlayStation, this is what it looks like when you connect a new DualShock. You are going to get this prompt that allows you to select the account that player 2 will be using. For Xbox, this might visually be different, but the process is roughly the same. So simply assign an account to the second player, and at the bottom right corner of the main menu or the lobby that you are in, you are going to see this prompt. Hold the button for player 2 to log in. So press that button and you will be able to start a lobby with the next person next to you using their controller. You will then be able to play in split screen as soon as you start the lobby. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite with two players on the same console. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.